Good day everyone! This is your teacher Nami at your service to another day episode in Teaching Science 6 with the topic Changes on the Earth's Surface as a Result of Volcanic Eruption. Class, for our drill or energizer, you are going to arrange the jumbled letters to form new words. Number 1, it is an opening of the Earth's crust where lava and volcanic materials are ejected. The answer is volcano. How about number 2? A steep-walled depression at the peak of a volcano. What is the answer? Yes, the answer is crater. Next, for number 3, it is called the windows of the earth. What is the answer for that? That is vent. How about number 4? Formed when the summit of the volcano collapses. What is the answer? Alright, the answer is caldera. How about number 5? Molten rock that flows on the surface of the volcano. What is the answer? That is lava. That is a picture of a Taal volcano before January 12, 2020 eruption. These pictures reveal what happened to Taal volcano during 2020 eruption. Volcanoes have hot liquid inside. This is called magma. Sometimes, this magma comes out of the volcano fast. When magma comes out, it is called lava. When this happens, we say that the volcano is erupting. We avoid shaking of cola drink before opening it. Why do you think? What will happen if you shake a carbonated drink and immediately remove a cup? Okay, you are going to watch this video to know the answer. When you shake a can of soda, the pressure does not change. The reason the soda comes gushing out if you open it after shaking it is that you created a lot of bubbles inside the liquid, and that's where the carbon dioxide will come out of solution rapidly. All those bubbles expanding push the liquid outwards. Do you know how volcano erupts? Let's find out by doing an experiment. First, prepare the following materials: baking soda, vinegar, and red food color. First procedure, put the panel on the mouth of the bottle and pour the baking soda until the bottle is half full. Very nice, Heidi. Pour vinegar into the cup. Then, add a few drops of red food coloring to the vinegar and stir with spoon. Make sure that the vinegar will be bright in color. Stir it. Now, put the panel in the mouth of the bottle. Pour in the vinegar and food coloring. Then remove the panel. Wow! Amazing! Okay, now let us answer the following question. What have you observed after you poured the vinegar into the crater of your volcano?
I have noticed that there are liquid with bubbles that coming out of the model volcano. This was coming from the mixed materials inside of it.
What might have caused the vinegar and the baking soda to burst out of the volcano when they were mixed?
This was the result of a chemical reaction between the baking soda and vinegar. In this, carbon dioxide gas is produced. This is also present in real volcanoes.
You are going to relate this explosive eruption of volcanoes.
As the carbon dioxide gas is produced, pressure builds up inside the plastic bottle until the gas bubbles are out of the volcano. The baking soda and vinegar volcano erupts because of an acid-base reaction. The baking soda, sodium bicarbonate, plus vinegar or acetic acid is equal to carbon dioxide plus water plus sodium ion plus acetate ion acetic acid, or a weak acid, reacts with and neutralizes sodium bicarbonate, which is the base.
Okay, very good, Heidi, for your cooperation at the same with you and Liz. Thank you so much. And this activity is a model of a volcanic eruption. That's all. Thank you. What is a volcano? How is it different from other landforms? A volcano is an opening in the Earth's crust. Molten rocks, ashes, gaseous materials are forced out through its opening. This opening of a volcano is called the crater. In the Philippines, there are many volcanoes. Some of them are Mount Tulusan in Sorsogon, Mount Pinatubo in Zambales, Mount Canlaon in Negros Oriental, Hibok-Hibok volcano in Camiguin, and of course, Taal volcano in Batangas. Volcanoes vary in sizes. Some are just low-lying depressions, while others are tall. Mount Mayon volcanoes are vary in shape. Some are shaped like a cone, while others like a dome. How does a volcanic eruption occur? When tectonic plates collide, massive rocks underground deform and trigger a build-up of temperature and pressure. The high temperature and pressure results in melting of rocks and producing magma. Inside the volcano is a magma chamber. Molten rock inside this chamber is forcefully driven by intense heat and pressure. The release of magma from the crater is called volcanic eruption. So the magma that flows out on the surface is called lava, and when a volcano out lava together with gases, rocks, and ashes. A volcanic eruption can be explosive or non-explosive. An eruption is explosive when large amount of pyroclastic materials are ejected by the volcano into the air. Pyroclastic materials consist of lava, ashes, volcanic gas, and rocks. It occurs when gases and the magma are trapped, causing a build-up of pressure in the magma chamber. As a result, the gases expand very quickly and explode violently. This results in a loud explosion. An explosive eruption can last for several hours or days. In a non-explosive eruption, lava just flows up the crater and gaps along the sides of the volcano. This kind of eruption happens when is less pressure in the magma chamber. There is less pressure when magma is located nearer the Earth's surface. Volcanic eruption can cause damage to plants, animals, people, and property. Aside from destruction, material released by volcano can have beneficial effects in nature. During a volcanic eruption, very hot lava flow can burn anything in its path. The mud flow or lahar can cause landslides, flooding, and immense damage to buildings and farms. Volcanic ash and dust released in the air can irritate the lungs and cause health problems. Very strong eruption can also trigger earthquakes. Despite the destruction it causes, a volcanic eruption can also be beneficial. The pyroclastic materials from from a volcanic eruption can make the soil fertile. The heat inside the volcano can cause gases to come out through the holes or vents called fumaroles. These fumaroles can provide geothermal steam to generate electricity. Eruption can also produce industrial materials like pumice and sulfur. Pumice is used in grinding and polishing stones, while sulfur is used in making matches and firecrackers. The rocks from volcanoes also help scientists study the interior of the earth. For this activity, you are going to arrange as to how volcano erupts by writing numbers 1 to 5. And you are going to write your answer on a clean sheet of pad paper and pass it to me on the next deployment and retrieval of worksheet.
Class, to measure what you have learned from our topic for this day, you are going to get a clean sheet of pad paper and your ball pen, and then answer the following questions. Number 1. Which of these is not observed when a volcano is about to erupt? A. Earthquake, B. Lahar, C. Rumbling sound, D. Unusual behavior of animals. Go! Number 2. What kind of magma produces violent eruption? A. Those rich in silica, B. Those that are fluid, C. Those rich in iron, D. Those forming shield. Go! Number 3. Which of the following is formed when the top of a volcano collapses into a partially emptied magma chamber? A. Caldera, B. Crater, C. Fissures, D. Volcanic rock. Answer 4. Why does magma rise to the surface and surrounding rocks around it do not? A. Magma is hot, B. Magma causes pressure, C. Surrounding rocks is lighter or less dense than the magma, D. Magma is lighter or less dense than the surrounding rocks. Proceed to answer. Number 5. Which of the following could be the sign of volcanic eruption? For Roman numeral 1, release of smoke, sulfuric dioxide, and other gases. Roman numeral 2, change in shape, tilt, or elevation of the volcano. Roman numeral 3, change in water level and temperature of underground water. Roman numeral 4, shaking or trembling in areas near the volcano is felt. A. 1 and 2, B. 2 only, C. 1, 2, and 3, letter D. 1, 2, 3, and 4. For number 6, which of the following causes magma to accumulate in the magma chamber and rise? A. Rapid flow of lava at the crater, B. Rapid movement of the molten rocks, C. High temperature and extreme pressure, D. High density and greater volume of molten rock. Write your answer. For number 7, which is true about volcanic eruption? A. Most of the gas that goes out of a volcano is carbon dioxide. B. When heavy rain accompanies an eruption, a mud flow may occur. C. Magma is pushed from the interior of Earth to the surface because a build-up of temperature in the mantle. And D. None of these. Proceed to answer. Number 8. Which causes volcanic eruption? Roman numeral 1, high pressure. Roman numeral 2, high temperature. Roman numeral 3, low pressure. Roman numeral 4, low temperature. A. 1 only, B. 1 and 2, C. 1 and 3, D. 1, 2, and 3. Write your answer. 9. How is magma formed? A. Magma is natural part of the earth. B. Rocks collided and broke down to pieces. C. The earth's interior, which is too hot, melted the rocks. D. The earth's interior, which is cold, solidified the rocks. Write your answer. And number 10. Why can magma move upward? A. The pressure above and below the magma is equal. B. There is no pressure acting above and below the magma. C. The pressure above the magma is lower than the pressure below it. D. The pressure above the magma is greater than the pressure below it. Write your answer. You may submit your paper by taking a picture and send it to my messenger, or you can ask the help of your parent or guardian to submit your paper to me on our retrieval and distribution of worksheets and activity sheet. For our assessment, you are going to answer the questions that I am going to give to you if it is a fact or a bluff. Number 1. The release of magma from the crater is called an earthquake. Is it a fact or a bluff? 2. Pyroclastic materials consist of lava, ashes, and rocks. Fact or bluff? 3. Volcanic eruptions may last for only a few minutes. Is it a fact or a bluff? Number 4. When magma flows on the surface, it is already called lava. What is the answer? Number 5. Taal volcano is found in Batangas. Is it a fact or a bluff? Number 6. When lava just flows out of the crater and drops along sides of the volcano, it is an explosive eruption. Is it a fact or a bluff? 7. Fumaroles can provide geothermal steam to generate electricity. Is it a fact or a bluff? Number 8. Volcanic eruptions can destroy properties and kill people. Is it a fact or a bluff? Number 9. Ashes emitted by the volcano can make the soil fertile. Is it a fact or a bluff? Number 10. When a volcano erupts, it releases gases. These gases help improve the quality of air in the atmosphere. Is it a fact or a bluff? You are going to write your personal insights about the lesson using the prompts I understand that and I realize that.
That's the end of my discussion. I hope you learned a lot from our lesson for this day. Thank you very much. Until next time.